Cook with lawyer recipes, oh my. Legal spicy.
Ogbono soup today. That is ogbono. You see how clean the ogbono is. This is my shombo, tatashi onions, crayfish, stockfish head, asa fish, dry pepper, salt, meat, momo, and Chefbas soup condiment. Then this is my seasoning cube. So come with me. Let us begin to make the soup. This is my Maggi. Not Maggi. This is
Pepper cross exams just for fun. Cook with lawyer recipes, oh my. Legal spice in every pie.
I am blending the pepper, crayfish, and ogbono. I add a little bit of tatashi to my ogbono. It makes the soup very colorful.
Cross exams just for fun. Cook with lawyer recipes, oh my. Legal spice in every pie.
All right, I'm frying my onions and pepper paste. I like the aroma it gives to my ogbono. It's usually very. You allow your oil to get hot before you pour this. You fry for a while before you add your meat stock. I add my salt. I'm just adding one seasoning cube. Remember, I added some seasoning cubes to the meat so that I don't over season the soup. So by the time you taste your soup and the taste is not okay, you can add more, but you just have to tread with caution. Yes.
Das Budget for four. Love with Laura, Fungal, the crop, Robert Harden, Bill Perrick. They'll saute you with a condiment, mixing affidavits with a twist. Every bite illegal.
You have to remove this stone. It's usually in the head of fishes. One fell off, or else you may be eating and you just use your teeth to crush it. The feeling is usually not pleasant at all. So you have to wash your stockfish head with warm water and salt and add to the soup stock.
In the kitchen we'll find a way, mixing flavors night and day.
I just added the dry fish. That is asa fish. This is pomo. I like to dice my pomo. You know, say mouth get to the busy now. When you dey chop, you go dey chew. If you chop one to swallow, you put one for mouth. Just like that, I need to put this. So I'm going to go in now with my meat and the meat stock. I added the crayfish now. I don't put all. When I finish putting my ogbono, I will now add the last crayfish to make the taste of the crayfish to be fresh in the pot.
Serving dishes with a side of law, tasty verdict in your craw. Briefcase full of secret spice, litigation on a bed of rice. Grill the truth till it's well done. Cover cross exams just for fun.
So I've added my ogbono. If you are not a pro, don't add your ogbono like this. Mix it with oil and put it on fire, or else your ogbono will develop some lumps. My brothers and sisters in Christ, soup is ready. You allow it to steam for the next 2 minutes. and you bring it down. I go ahead to add the last crayfish. Our soup is ready. You can give this a try. Yes, it's easy to make. It's one of the best Nigerian delicacy. Always remember to come back to my channel, Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe, on IG, Cook with Lawyer's Recipe, Facebook, Eunice Uchendo. Thank you.